left some more.
Okay.
Then we've got the black and the white. That's Alto Pass.
Oh, okay.
The tower.
Yeah, right.
Now, just to
Major level, and then there's a little step that goes up a little bit
come
more.
on up.
Maybe another 5.
Okay. I'm working on it.
You're okay. Take your time. All right, dude. Yeah.
I got a little bit of everything for this adventure.
Yeah. But I've been able to get some panoramic shots.
How long? You've been up here all day, or?
Pretty much. And I've been able to get it in 2 pictures. The sun might take it out of this one, but.
Cloud kind of look like real.
Look down on the
See it?
Okay. Airplane.
Yeah.
Ready? Yeah.
The sun's out, so you can't get anything in.
Put the steps in, it's more effective.
We're way down there, we're looking way down and then the outside.